So far, Intel's biggest NUC news of the year is its Hades Canyon mini gaming PC with AMD RX Vega graphics. If you don't need something quite so powerful and costly, however, Intel just rolled out some other 8th generation NUCs. Rather than using 15-watt chips like before, they pack 28-watt 8th gen Intel CPUs with Iris Plus 655 graphics. That'll let you hook up to 3 4K monitors in a TV for entertainment, while doing some light gaming. The NUCs come in 2 form factors, with the smaller one supporting M.2 SSDs and the larger one both in M.2 and 2.5-inch SATA SSD. There are Core i3-8109U and Core i5-8259U models at $299 and $399 respectively, but the one you really want is the $499 quad-core i7-8559U model. All pack 4 USB 3.0, 1 USB Type-C, with DisplayPort 1.2, port HDMI 2.0A and a pair of SATA 6.0 Gbps ports. Keep in mind that the prices shown don't include RAM, storage, or an operating system. If you get a decent 512GB M.2 SSD, 16GB of RAM and Windows 10 Home, you'll be pushing $1,000 on the high-end Core i7 model. Still, that's not too bad for a relatively powerful PC that fits in the palm of your hand.